We're looking for how to solve this now. We have two questions to answer. How much money has Landon already saved for camp? And how much more money does Landon need to save for camp? The diagram is at the top. There's my 72%. That represents the money that Landon already saved. And the 28% that we talked about, that's the money that Landon still needs to save. So to answer this question, I can use both of these multipliers. First, I'm going to find the money that Landon has already saved. 72% of the total cost of camp, which is here at the end, above the 100%. 72% of $250. The multiplier is 0.72 times 250, and multiplying that gives me $180, which is X. And if I look up here in my diagram, X is the value across from 72%. So I have found the money that represents that 72% he already has saved. The other multiplier, 28%, I'm going to use now. 28% of 250 would be the remaining part that he needs to save. 0.28 times 250, and that's $70. That is the money that he still needs to save, and that represents Y in my diagram up here, directly across from the 28%, completes that ratio. So both of those multipliers, 72% and 28%, can be used to solve this problem. You could also use subtraction. If we found using one of the multipliers, the value, for example, if I stopped at this $180 that he already saved, I could subtract that from 250 and I would also get the $70 that he has left to save. Either way is fine, but there are two multipliers in this situation.